Hi, in this video I'll be giving an introduction on FortiAnalyzer and later show you how to configure FortiAnalyzer in GNS3. FortiAnalyzer is used to manage, correlate, collect logs from various Fortinet devices that is available in your network. So data in the form of log can be forwarded to FortiAnalyzer from all your Fortinet devices that is available in your network. These logs are analyzed and various multiple security events are correlated to find active and passive threats to or in your network. So it will act as log convergence node in your network. Log from all the Fortinet devices like FortiGate, FortiAccess FortiSwitch, whatever devices you are having, those logs will be forwarded to a FortiAnalyzer, and FortiAnalyzer correlates that log and identifies threats or anomalies in your network. Because you may be having hundreds or thousands of devices deployed across your branch offices, an attack may initiate from a branch office which is already infected. So attack may arise from your branch office and you need to find that attack, analyze what has happened in your branch office and what all are the devices that has been compromised. So to get those data and to correlate those events so that it will be easy for you to identify using a FortiAnalyzer. Research has shown that it takes about 150 days to identify a threat inside your network. So that is a huge time. By that time, whatever damage was to be done, it has already happened and you can't do anything on that. So you need to reduce that time. You have to fine tune your network and reduce that time so that you can identify threats when it's happening, or you can block threats before it is happened, or if it is compromised, you can recover your network and to protect it from further breaches. This can be done with data available at your side, and it is made possible using a FortiAnalyzer. Configuring FortiAnalyzer in GNS3. I have opened GNS3. You can go to all devices, drag a FortiAnalyzer onto the screen, place a cloud through which I will be accessing the FortiAnalyzer. Right click, configure, select the interface VMnet 8. The IP address of that interface is 192.168.240.1. So I need to connect or configure my FortiAnalyzer in that network range. So I'm starting the FortiAnalyzer. Go to console. It will take some time for the FortiAnalyzer to boot. So it is initializing the file system. The username is admin. There is no password, and I have logged into the FortiAnalyzer. So I need to configure port 2 to which I have connected the cloud interface through which I am accessing the FortiAnalyzer. For that, configure system interface, edit port 2, set allow access, HTTPS, that will be enough. Next and end. Now if I open the browser and like I haven't configured the IP address, let me do that. One into 168.240.9. I'll be asked to set a new password, that is mandatory. This is the FortiAnalyzer interface wherein you can view logs over here, create reports, incidents and events can be analyzed from here. SOC is over there, that is Security Operations Center. Fabric view gives you what all are the Fortinet devices that has been deployed in your network. The FortiGuard is available. FortiSwitch Manager is also available. AP Manager for managing access points. Policies and objects can be configured over here. And Device Manager will be frequently used because you need to add the devices from which you want to receive logs. So you will be doing that from this interface, as well as you are having a VPN manager. So I'll go to system settings. This is the interface of FortiAnalyzer. Okay, and as you can see add-ons over here. So that is an important concept. What are add-ons? I have created another video on add-ons that is very important, that is for administering various devices. So this is the interface. That's all for today. Thank you for viewing.